Hi Applied Maths students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. Today we are continuing Unit 3B children, Exercise 3.1 Integration and its Application. So here we are, what we going to do? Question number 3, first subdivision, I equals to integral 1 minus 2x by root over 1 plus x square children. So we are splitting into 2. That means 1 by root over 1 plus x square dx and 2x by root over 1 plus x square dx. Till this is first okay wa check ma. So we are splitting that two terms, two integration. One we are considering as I1 ma, another we are considering as I2 children. Clear check. Then I1 alone separately we taken. So I1 it's look like in this formula. Formula I think we have already done, given in the first video itself. If you want, kindly check the formula and come 1 by root over a square plus x square. Since a plus b commutative property no pa, a square plus x square they said also okay, x square plus a square they said also okay. Did you understand what I'm talking? So the formula is log mod x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. So log mod x plus that a square plus x square is nothing but 1 plus x square. So I1 is log mod x plus root over 1 plus x square plus C1. Since we have taken I1 children separately, so constant we are considering as a C1. Then second I2 integral 2x by root over 1 plus x square. Children, we know integral f dash of x by root over f of x dx is 2 root f of x plus c. Or sir, this and all I don't want to apply, sir. Let me do it in substitution method, na sir? Yes. You can consider 1 plus x square as t. Then you do, then we are doing substitution method, applying also we can get it. But here I am considering f of x as 1 plus x square children. 1 differentiation 0, x square differentiation 2x. So f dash of x we are getting it as a 2x. Once we are getting like this, then we can direct like 2 root f of x. So 2 root 1 plus x square dx, not dx, 2 root 1 plus x square plus c2. Is this clear ma? So I1 we got it, I2 we got it. Then you just apply that. I equals I1 plus I2 hopefully. Plus or minus check. Actually it is minus. So kindly keep minus. I think I have kept here plus, but since it's a minus, so 2 minus is error check. That is very, very important. So we got I1 as log mod and I2 also positive. So kindly keep this as minus. Did you understand what you're talking? I1 is a log mod x plus root over 1 plus x square. Then I2 is 2 root 1 plus x square, in between minus. We have C1 plus C2 children. We can write it as C. Did you understand ma? I1 we found separately, I2 we found separately, and we have applied it together. If you want, you can do together also, but separately writing it somewhat convenient like that I thought. Because if you are integrated one part also, another part again you want to do unnecessarily. Separately now it will be easy. Okay, going for question number 3, second subdivision ma. I equals 1 by root over 3x square plus 2x minus 1 children. Actually what we are doing now, like a something whole square, like a square plus x square, x square plus a square, like that we want to get it. So that sense we are taking 3 as common. Once we are taking 3 as common, we got x square and sir 2x and all, how sir 3 we can take common, like that you ask now. Actually children, taking common is nothing but dividing with the each term. For example, you see 3x minus 6 is there. If you are taking 3 as common, you all will say, sir, 3 common x minus 2, like that. How? How na what? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, like that we will say. Actually, we are dividing. 3 you're taking common is 3x divided by 3 minus 6 divided by 3. If you are considering like this, 3 cancel x, 3 and 6 cancel 2. So, if it is not cancelling now, it will become as it is. For example, we have 2x minus 1. 2 we are taking common. So 2x by 2. What you are taking common? 3 you are taking common. So 2x by 3. See, 2x minus 1 3 we are taking common, 2x by 3 minus 1 by 3. Did you understand, children? Same way we are taken 3 as common, so we got here 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3. And this root 3 we are taking out ma, so 1 by root 3 when we are taking out now, we will getting root over x square plus 2 by 3x and minus 1 by 3. Then we are going to think about add and subtract. It's like a completing square we used to say, children. Completing square we want to do it now, add and subtract b by 2 whole square. What is here b na? The coefficient of x is b, so that divided by 2, so 2 by 3 divided by 2. So the divided by 2 comes this side now, 1 by 2, 2 cancel, 1 by 3 whole square. So the 1 by 3 whole square is nothing but 1 by 9. So you're going to subtract and add. So minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 3 square. What you understood, pa? Sir, what sir you are saying? Root you taking out, okay. Then what, sir? Na? Add and subtract. Always, yeah, whenever you're going to do this method, we will call it as a method of completing square. To make whole square, like x plus a whole square, x minus x square minus a square, like that, something whole square you're going to make. For that, always b by 2 whole square. Coefficient of x by 2. So 2 by 3 by 2. Any number, yes. But make sure the x square coefficient should be 1. So only we are taking the 3 as common. Okay, va? So make sure the x square coefficient 1. Then take the what? B, that divided by 2. And you have to square. That 1 by 3 square is there, na? That you should add and subtract. Somewhat clear what I am talking? Always. So then 1 by 3 square. So x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3 square is nothing but a plus b whole square. Why, sir, a plus b whole square? Why not a minus b? Like that you ask, na? Since plus is there, plus 2ab is there, so a plus b whole square, x plus 1 by 3 whole square. Then this 1 by 3 whole square covered here, no? A plus b whole square. Then this minus 1 by 3 whole square is minus 1 by 9. Then this minus 1 by 3. Clear? Check, ma. Is this clear? Then take LCM, pa, as usual. Into 3 into 3. So we'll get like minus 1 minus 3 by 9. So minus 1 and minus 3 if we added now, minus 4 by 9. Clear? Then the 4 by 9 we can write it as 2 by 3 whole square. Why, sir? 4 by 9 I can't write as it is. Because we want to write like 1 by root over x square minus a square. So that sense we can write it as 2 by 3 whole square. So we know integral 1 by root over x square minus a square is nothing but log mod x plus root over x square minus a square. So already we have 1 by root 3 as common, if I am correct. So log mod x plus x itself, we are x plus 1 by 3 root over x square minus a square. That is nothing but full term x square plus 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3. This term only going to come as here. Because if you expand it, you will get the same. Clear? Check, pa. Question number 4. In the marginal revenue function is given, ma. Then x is the level of output. Total revenue they have given rupees 120 and 3 units of output. Find the total revenue function. Children, we are in differentiation. I hope you remember. They will give you the revenue. R of x they will give. R they will give you P and x. So we will do R equals to P into x. Then we will differentiate the revenue to get the marginal revenue. So normal marginal cost or marginal revenue na we will differentiate. Correct, children? But in differentiation when you used to do it. But here they given marginal revenue as MR equal to 40 minus 10x square. They are asking you to find the revenue. So it's a reverse process. So you have to integrate. Understood, ma? Should not ask, sir, where, sir, they said integration. Like that, don't ask. Because in the question, they didn't say anywhere integration. Before this question and all, if you see, na, they will give you this is integral symbol or integrate or evaluate integral dx, like that integration symbol and all will have. But in a word problems, it should not be tricky for you, because like this marginal revenue sum we have what in differentiation also, we have in integration also. So read the question. We have marginal revenue function and we want to find the total revenue function. So MR is given and R you want to find now, we should integrate. That and all why you are saying you are doing integration only na. Integrate and do your work. Like that don't say, because this question generally coming in the exam, we don't know whether it is a differentiation or integration. So marginal revenue given, revenue want to find, so integration. So integral MR dx plus C. So MR marginal revenue value 40 minus 10x square. So have to integrate the 40 minus 10x square. Constant integration, I hope you all remember children. 40 integration is 40x. Then minus 10, x square integration is x cube by 3 plus c. Then they have said x equal to 3. Where sir they said x equal to 3? Like that now, see the question. They said at 3 units of the output. Output is nothing but x. They itself said very clearly, x is the level of output. So instead of x, what you should apply? 3. So instead of x3 now, total revenue is 120. Total revenue now, here R of x. So x is 3. R of x is 120. Substitute here ma. R of x value 120. X here is 340 into 3 minus 10 into 3 cube by 3 plus c. 43 is 120 pa. Then 3 and this 1 cube cancel na, 10 into 3 square plus c. Then minus 3 square 9, 9 tens are 90. Then plus 120 goes outside now, minus 120 minus 90 goes outside plus 90. Cancel, c equals to 90. Clear, check pa. Substitute in the R of x, so always getting the c, don't consider c itself final answer like that. R of x value, substitute the value of c. Clear amma? So we are integrating, when we are integrating the definite indefinite integral, we will get the c. We should not stop here. Sir, I said fast I done, I stopped here, like that don't say. Because they given you x equal to 3 and revenue function 120, we should substitute here, get the value of c, and we want to apply. Clear amma? So whenever marginal revenue or marginal cost given, you have to integrate it and you have to substitute the value of c. Last time marginal revenue, no children, here marginal cost. Same thing like a differentiation. When we have a cost function and they asked cost function given, marginal cost they asked na, differentiation of cost function. But marginal cost is given and they are asking you the cost function. MC given C what? Like that they asking na, again integration. So they said MC value x by root over 2500 plus x square. And as well as not only cost function they are asking, also average cost function they are asking. So at that time fixed cost is 1000 they have given us. So clear, check. So MC is x by root over 2500 plus x square. Fixed cost is 1000 they said. So as we said, cost function is c of x is integral MC dx, because they have given you marginal cost. They are asking you cost. So substitute. Once we are substituting, c of x equals x by root over 2500 plus x square. As usual, we can take t 2500 plus x square. We can take t. You can use substitution method and you'll get it. But proper if you see suppose here 2x is there it will comes under integral f dash of x by root f of x. Why x square differentiation 2x, but 2 was not there here. So I'm doing multiplying and divide by 2 to get this format. So my division 2 was 1 by 2 outside, multiplication to become 2x. So integral f dash of x by root over f of x dx is nothing but 2 root f of x plus c. So substitute children. You can do even substitution method and you can get the same answer 1 by 2 into 2 root over 2500 plus x square. 2 cancel. C of x is root over 2500 plus x square plus c. Sum over sir definitely no. if fixed cost is 1000 they said, so that time x will be 0. So x is 0, c of x is 1000, that is fixed cost. Substitute ma. C of x value 1000, then substituted na, you are getting the value as what we are getting. We are getting it as root over 2500 plus c. We all know root 25 is 5, so root 2500 is 50. So plus 50 goes at China minus 50, and c value we are getting it as 950. Substitute 950 there. So we got c of x as root over 2500 plus x square plus 950. Sum over as na only cost function na sum over, but they ask average cost. Average cost is cost function by x. Even in the differentiation also we have average cost. Question itself they will give c of x, just we will do divided by x. But here we are finding the c of x and just applying x, sum over. Easy ma. So average cost is c of x by x. So just do it complete. Then go for the sixth question pa. The marginal cost of producing the x units of a product MC is x root over x plus 1. So once x root over x plus 1 is given, cost of producing 3 units is rupees 7800 na. Find the cost function. Question clear? Check. So MC equal to x into root over x plus 1. As usual pa, they given marginal cost, so we have to integrate for getting the cost function. Integral MC dx, MC value x root over x plus 1 dx. So we wanted to take t, x plus 1 we are considering as t. So suppose plus 1 goes at minus 1, x equal to t minus 1. Then start integrating. So if we are integrating now, we will get it as x, not integrating, we have to substitution method, so differentiation. So x differentiation is 1, 1 differentiation 0, t is dt by dx. So we are getting it as dx as dt. Clear? Check. Once dx as dt, c of x equals to t minus 1 into t power 1 by 2. How about t minus 1 came? Like that you asked now. X is t minus 1. Then root over that x plus 1 is t. So that is t power 1 by 2. Clear? Check. So once it's clear, t and t power 1 by 2 multiply, you're going to get it as t power 1 into t power 1 by 2 ma. A power m into a power n pa. A power m plus n pa. So t power 1 plus 1 by 2, getting it as t power 3 by 2. Is this clear? Kindly check. Once it's clear, then substitute integration t power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. Normal integration ma. Integral x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Again t power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. We are getting it as t power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. This 5 by 2 comes this side now, 2 by 5. This 3 by 2 comes this side now, 2 by 3. Then we are getting t value, we should substitute it as x plus 1. Then we are getting it sum over ana again plus c. This c confuse, you will think ana, then consider as k, your wish. So x equal to 3, c of x is 1800. Substitute. So wherever x is there, substitute 3 children. So then 3 plus 1 4, again 3 plus 1 4, 4 power 3 by 2. So we can write it as 4 power 5 by 2 as 4 power 1 by 2 whole power 5. 4 power 1 by 2 whole cube. So root 4 is 2. Again root 4 is 2. So you will get it as 2 power 5. 2 power 5 32 ma. 2 cube 8 ma. So 32 2s are 64. So 64 by 5. 8 2s are 16. 16 by 3 plus c. Clear? Check. So once we are doing this, plus 64 by 5 comes around minus 64 by 5. Minus 16 by 3 comes around plus 16 by 3. Take LCM 15 and simplify, getting it as this answer 1,16,888 by 15. Substitute in the c of x. This is over. So giving practice some children. The third one model. Okay, so the same way we have some sums. Even it's there in students post material. Then this question. Now we are doing, like integral model. Marginal cost is given and they are asking the fixed cost. That means they are asking the cost function. Clear? Check. Any doubts is there? Ask and clarify.